talking to the camera for the guy to edit it?
I gave him editing instructions.
Oh, you're giving him just on camera editing instructions.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually kind of cool. I like that.
All right.
Yeah.
The wife likes it, right? What's up, guys? Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRaveled. And today I have the Anda Seat Demon. We're gonna take it from this to this. We're gonna get this box pop, put it together. I'm gonna let you know what I think. So let's do that. Let's go right now. One of the first things that I noticed when taking it out of the box is this seat seems way larger than my current chair that I sit in every day, which I think is going to add to the comfort level. And this is super soft. I can't wait to get this together and try it out. Alright guys, so now that I got everything unboxed, let's get it together. Typically I don't read the instructions, but you know how many times I put something together to realize 3/4 of the way through I missed a step and then I got to take it all apart. So let's not miss a step today. So it wants us to put the bottom together first. Now this is super heavy duty. This is steel. My current chair is just plastic. This is a nice added upgrade here. Goes to show the quality of the Anda seat. This kit comes with all the hardware and tools to put it together, which is quite nice. All of the screws feel premium, the tools feel premium. This whole product so far feels premium. Oh, I wasn't recording audio. All right, guys, so check it out. This chair is high quality, and I want to go through it so you guys really understand what I'm talking about here. From the headrest to the lumbar support pillow, everything is adjustable. So this can slide up with these here. You just move them around. The headrest can be completely removed. Check this out. These have these straps here in the back. You just unclip the clip. The headrest is going to come off. The lumbar support will come off also, but you can completely adjust everything the way you want it. Now the arms on this chair, right? These arms are fully adjustable, guys. You can go out and in like so. You can go forward, backwards. You can swivel them and they go up and down. So you can really get comfortable with this chair. And as well, the top here, the armrest, is padded, so it's not super hard. So you're gonna be comfortable while gaming for a super long time. You can also lean back completely. Check this out, goes super far. And then the seat itself is firm but soft, right? So you're gonna be able to sit in it for a long time. It's gonna offer support that you need. It's not gonna sag. It's really supportive. It's really comfortable overall. And the biggest thing is it's extra wide. Like I fit in the seat, right? Everything fits while I'm in here. I'm very comfortable. And then the other thing that is super premium that you won't find on other chairs, at least other chairs that I have purchased. Let me swivel down here, guys, so you can see. This base, this is steel, right? It's metal. I've had other chairs where this is plastic and it just cracks. So after a short period of time, your chair is just gonna break. And that sucks, especially when you're spending $300, $400, $500 on a nice chair. Whew. All right, guys. That's what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.
Yes, that's why I said that. Like, he could pop out of the box.
There's nobody popping out of the box.